The Monkey and the Dolphin. One day long ago, some sailors set out to sea in their sailing ship. One of them brought his pet monkey along for the long journey. When they were far out at sea, a terrible storm overturned the ship. Everyone fell into the sea, and the monkey was sure that he would drown. Suddenly a dolphin appeared and picked him up. They soon reached the island. Do you know this place?
Yes, I do. In fact, the king of the island is my best friend. Do you know that I am actually a prince?
Well, so you are a prince. Now you can be a king.
How can I be a king?
That is easy. As you are the only creature on this island, you will naturally be the king.